What's going on, Tony Ads? Before you even go to this next video that I'm about to give to you with great information, please hit the bell icon over here, and at the same time subscribe to my channel for more hot fire content coming towards you. Tony Ads, exercise fitness marketer, aka back with another adventure. Let's go! Yo, what's going on? What's going on? I hope y'all can see me. My light's a little dark up in here, but I'm pretty sure that you can see me. It doesn't matter. I'm trying to give y'all some information. Tony Ads, exercise fitness marketer, aka Mr. Diamond Boy. Okay, now let's jump right into it. Let's stop playing. Hey, yo, look at this. We got something new that just came out. It's about to launch. It's very powerful. You can see this right here called Line Network. And if you're not sure what this is, you don't know what's going on, it's just not any other system. It's something that's going to be around for a while. And this is the pre-launch right now. The pre-launch of FLN. And all my people, y'all know that if there's anything that's going to get my people paid or bring any finances into your life to be able to change you and your family's life, I'm on it. I'm jumping on it. Especially when I observe it and look at it and I see the people behind it and I look at their history. I do my I do my homework. Most people, you just jump on anything shiny or the new shiny objects. It's not like that. You have to be able to do your homework. Apply what you learn. You know what I mean? So you can step it up to be able to bring finances. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. We'll log into this. It's the pre-launch right now. So check this out. As you can see over here, it's we have 6 days, 3 hours, 23 minutes, and 34 seconds left before it launches. So you want to get in. It's free to get in. But there is upgrade systems where all the money is going to fall down on those who had upgraded the package. You know what I mean? So make sure that you're jumping in on this. Make sure that you got your game right. Make sure you step it up. Check this out. I'm going to teach you something. I'm going to learn you something. Over here, this system is very powerful because, okay, it teaches you everything. It even has a boot camp for the Facebook. It even has all the emails done for you so that you don't have to worry about nothing. And actually even has an app. Yes, I said it, an app that you can put on your phone and send straight from your phone. Most people are not even on a computer no more. They're on an app. You know what I mean? So let's kind of like look at the introduction. Here it is. I'm not going to hold you long either. It's just basically going to be how it is right here. Look.
Congratulations. Thank you for joining the movement. You're now part of something really special. What you do next is extremely important, so please listen carefully and follow these instructions as quickly as possible. This video has only one purpose, and that is to get you into profit mode fast.
Okay, that right there should have been enough for you to be like, oh, I'm a little bit interested, at least be a little bit interested, figure out what it is. So I'm gonna jump over here where you can see down the bottom, it says get your links, promote on Facebook, email, even buying traffic. You can even buy traffic for this. I can't believe it. It's crazy, yo. You can even buy traffic for this, or you can also send text messages. And every time you send a text message or you do with it, you have to follow the steps. You'll actually get points for that. So the system can work for you. It's working for you now. Let's just go into the Facebook post and let's make sure hope my internet is not acting up. Last time earlier I was going to it, but it was acting up. But here we are, the Facebook training right here. Where you can look into this right here, and I'm just give you like a couple seconds of it so you can see.
Hey guys, my name is Holly Oxted, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use Facebook to really make the most of this pre-launch app.
Okay, and I'm not going to waste your time. I'm giving it to you right there. So you got the pre-launch, and look, even right here, pre-written Facebook posts. Look at that. They have different funnels too, so you can just copy and paste, and they have different funnels for every person. You know what I mean? You got Michael Mansell, and you got Paul's funnel, and you got the corporation funnel. You got all these available for you that you can just go right to Facebook and post. So if this is something that might interest you, please check the link below. Please subscribe to my channel and like my stuff. So that you can get more information, there's a bell icon down there. Make sure you hit the bell icon. Anytime any hot content that's coming out, any super content's coming out, you know your boy got you. All right, now let's check some other stuff out. Okay, let's go back to we got the invitations. Okay, now I'm gonna show you something that's very, very great. Now, it's like this on your phone too. The same thing. It's just like this on your phone, and how you share it and what you're looking for to make money with. Here you go. You got a corporation funnel, you got Paul's funnel, and you got Michael's funnel. Now each of them is a different way to promote whatever you have. And the same thing, like I told you, if you're on Facebook, if you're on, they even have it to the point you can send emails. Very powerful, man. Let's just take it a look. We're going to view one of them right here.
Hey
Look
guys,
at that.
Paul Counts here, and congratulations on being invited to the biggest pre-launch of 2018. Now, what you guys are finding
Join the
here
pre-launch.
is a historical pre-launch like none other that this business has seen before. You're seeing the merger of the internet market.
I ain't gonna waste your time, but I'm giving you, this is powerful right there. And that was just one of the launches. That was just one of the ways right there. And you could come down here, you could see your funnels, you can see how many hits, how many people join, and everything else. You have your leaderboard. Let's go into the training. You can go to the back office tour. You got your Facebook, emailing, you're buying traffic. You can send text messages. I told you, even blog banners. Very powerful. Look at that. Even blog banners. So it's time to get on your grind. Stop playing. They've got everything for you. Biggest launch in 2018. Become a six-figure marketer this year. First mover advantage. Look, they have all these different banners for you. If you're willing to try to make it, look at this. Look, boom. It's free to sign up. But so you can get the money, try to sign up as many people as you can, because this is one of them things that you want to take advantage of. You don't want to pass you by. You don't want this to be like one of them, like, oh, I should have jumped in when everything was launching. Iced coffee, baby, iced coffee. And that's how it should have been. You should jump in now when the pre-launch, anytime there's a pre-launch. You see that's a counter right there, a countdown. We live in, that's how many days until the pre-launch. So if this is something that interests you, you're trying to be able to make some money in your life and you're tired of playing games and you're looking for something that can possibly skyrocket you up to the highest level that you possibly can, this is the way to do it. So take advantage of it. Don't play no games. And I hope that if this information was good for you and this content was great for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like my page, and don't forget to share with your friends and let them know that, hey, something big is going on. And I'm looking for people that are willing to make money. And anytime something come out that I feel confident about, I'll do the examination, I'll do my homework, I'll present it to you, and then you can check it out for yourself, be able to make some money. Soon I'm coming, a course is coming together that I'm putting together for those who are part of my Builder Raw team. You're going to have CPA free teaching. So do me a favor and stay close with that. You know what I mean? If you're not part of my Builder Raw team, the link is beneath, underneath. You can check it out. And I see you on the other side. Cherish every moment and live to grow. Tony Abs. Yeah.